Guys, back once again. It's your favorite boy, Succeedo FX. Jeffrey's Benson's mentees, and I'm Jeffrey Benson's mentee, and I just want to show you a very short, not really short video on how I traded GBPJPY successfully today. You know, I'm just new in the forex market. Though I've had experiences, I've had a lot, but trading with my real money, this is now up to 4 months, 3 months. You know, small. I'm making it big. So let's just dash in straight to the video. Let me show you how I traded GBPJPY, which is my favorite pair, today successfully, and how people were able to make profits, even half of the trade, full time, and all that. So let's move into what I did, how I entered an entry and I made profit. Now look at this is 15 minutes time frame. Uchechukwu and God's love. I told you I was going to make a video and show you how I make my entries, right? Now look at what I just hit. Now I add a leverage of 1:500. I used to use 1:1000. I reduced it, and I use 0.02 lot size. If you understand how lot size works, Uche. Now God's love already understands. Now see, upon this entry, when I saw this was where I took an entry the other day. Now I told you how the first 2 candles will determine my week. So this is GBPJPY I trade. This is GBPJPY I trade. That's my own favorite pair. Now what I do is I'll go to 4 hours time frame first of all. Now this is the mastery course Jeffrey Benson they will want you to come and pay for. Now look at it, because I know how I hack and get my own. Now all you have to do is you check for major touches. Major touches. Now watch, when I checked from 4-hour time frame, there was a touch here. You see, there was a rejection here. There was a weak rejection again here. You see it? There's a touch here. Kai! Automatically, I knew this was a perfect entry for either a maximum breakout to buy or maximum breakout to sell. And the trade has been buying for a long time. So it has to have the ability space to sell before it buys again, because we are already this week in an uptrend for buy. Now, then I came down to 1-hour time frame again to confirm. Are you seeing it? Look at where I saw it. When 1-hour time frame gave it to me, I said, okay, it's confirmed the touches, multiple touches, and look at most of them were the M pattern and the evening star, the doji. Like here, there was an evening star, there was a weak rejection here, there was an evening star. Look at a big, look at a maruboso here. Sorry, hold on. Let me remove this thing for you people to see. There was a maruboso here, big one. There was a morning star here. So all the touches were showing good response towards sell. Then I now came down to, before I enter my 15 minutes time frame, look at it. So I now went to 1 minute time frame first to see how volatile the market was going. It was consolidating. Then I knew that it would have been a good entry, but I would take more time to sell. So this is when I now saw a double top here. 1, 2. Then there was a rejection here. So I was waiting for this. I'm coming. I was waiting for this to show me multiple week rejection and bounce. So that's when I now plunged. Now I had a major trend line from the first week, the last point of the week. That's where the week started. Down, you will throw it into the future. Then I have to, this is my psychological level, which is my major zone. Then now this is where I now put my zone. This is if this price enters here, this place, and bounces off, shows me a sign, and it crosses my trend line. The moment it comes down, this is a pure sell. So this is the secret now. Look at it very well. This is a pure sell. And so the candle, this big maruboso broke my 2 trend lines. Are you seeing it? And there were multiple weak rejections. Sorry, there were multiple weak rejections here. Are you seeing? And that's, if this thing would have happened here, come here and start consolidating, show me weak rejection, this would have been a buy. Now are you seeing it? So then I now plotted my minor trend line, and look, I had the first touch, second touch, touch, and the fourth touch, which was showing me that price is going to sell. That's when I now did this is my sniper entry. At this point, upon this point of breakout, now this is my sniper entry. That's why I now put it, and I put my stop loss above this week rejection a little, and my take profits. And you know that I hit my take profits. So if, imagine now, you can calculate how much I have made. Now imagine how much I have made now with $31. Now this is my guy's account. Now from this morning, now I have, at least, if I'm not mistaken, God's love and Uche, if I'm not mistaken, I have 15k that will take me, or 10k, let me say 10k that will take me for the rest. How many days now? This is the money that we deposited this morning. Have you seen the deposit here? $31. And look at how I used $31 convert, and I now flipped $31. Now if this is a professional trading, because my lot size was actually 0.02 and my leverage is 1:500. I normally use 1:1000. So you see how we flipped $31 to $77 and have our $46 gain. So that's what the trade is talking about. Once you see your entry, don't take chances. Find your truth, know what works for you. So I trade GBPJPY and XAU that is gold. So those are my favorite pairs. So that's it. So if I even told look at on my Telegram, so let me show you God's love. I give signals. I know I've not told you. So look at people's comments on my on Fire Pips chat room. Look at it. Let me show you. So see, this is where I started giving signals for this trade. Look at where I started giving signals. You see? Look at where I started giving signals. Look at when I told them to opt in for a what? I'm coming. Let me show you. This is where you can see where I told them to opt in for a sell. You can see it. Are you seeing it? Look at where I started. You see? Look at where I saw my confirmation, and I took even look at. Let me even show you. I've even look at where I posted. Look at my entry. Have you seen my entry? See my entry. This was where I saw my entry, and I knew I was going to take it. I took it from somewhere here. It was not even up to this when I took this entry. Are you seeing it? So I sent it to people. People doubted it, and the thing worked very, very well. Are you seeing it? So as it progressed, that's how I was able to show them. Are you seeing it? As it progressed, I even told them to break even if they wish. And look at where people were commenting now. You see, people were like, if they had known, I say hold a little. You see, someone even commented that he saw this entry. I'm coming. Let me look for someone that said he saw this entry. Now, how couldn't he see this entry? You see, let me show. I'm coming. Look at when I saw it. So someone said, look at, someone even asked me how did I miss this entry? You see, the person said, how did he miss this entry? So that's just it. And finally by the help of God, this was where I was posting, just following up normally. You see, and I said we just did our TP, thanks to God. So peace out. So you see, people took it late from half, and people are commenting. So that's just it. You see, someone say, "Oh, JPY, the craze, oh, see straight line. God abeg, oh." So you see, so that's just it. So if you believe in my strategy, I told you I started for a month now, and I'm doing it. I know Forex is my thing, is my life. So that's just it. So if you have anybody that want to invest in my platform, because me, by God's grace, if I get money, na profit I won't go. And I make my videos too, and I show them, though they've not seen my face. So if you get anybody really interested at all, let them know, say I dig game. So no worry, everywhere good. I go still do videos of, make I show you videos of how I use plot this week on. Hold on now. Yeah, so guys, it's your boy Succedo FX. So if you really like this kind of a video, so you can just subscribe to my channel, and you have a lot. I know you out there, you're going to be a successful trader. This is actually going to 6 months I started trading, and my mentor is actually Jeffrey Benson, and I would say ever since I started following him, he has just been wonderful. Sorry for the bears. Don't worry. On the next video, I should come out clean, and So peace out to boss Jeffrey Benson. Thank you.